Hey, what's up guys, I'm Michael here. In this video I will be talking about how to trade stocks, but this will be more about how to day trade, how to speculate on stocks. So firstly, let's talk about what to use to day trade. So most efficient tool to day trade on stocks are CFDs, which are contract for difference. First thing, because they are very simple. You can go short or long. It's very convenient to use. The second thing is because they are cheaper than other options, for example, like stock options. And the third reason is that you have available leverage 1 to 20 exactly. So it doesn't require from you the huge amount of capital in order to conduct a trade. In fact, you can open a trade with just $100 on your account. So the second thing is how to open a trade. So let's log in to our client's cabinet and let's check the trades tab. And here you have the tab shares NYCE and shares Nasdaq, which are the shares from New York Stock Exchange and shares from the Nasdaq. So these are basically the biggest companies and the biggest and most liquid companies available for you to trade. From the Nasdaq are more technological companies, Apple, Intel, Tesla, etc. So how to open a trade? You click on the ticker or on the company's logo. The chart shows up, and on the right side you have the section opening of a trade. As I said, you can go short or long, therefore you choose whether to sell or buy, choose the volume, how big your position should be, and the closing conditions, which are take profit and stop loss orders. So basically it is the same as with the trading the other assets like currency pairs and commodities. The second way to open a trade is through the MetaTrader platform. So here you on the left side you have the list of all of the assets available for trading. If you don't see the stocks, they are down below. If you don't see them, you just click the right mouse button, show all, and all list will pops up to your disposal, and you can choose between all of the companies available for trading. So we have the Caterpillar company chart, and on the left side you have a click trading terminal click trading buttons for sell or buy. You choose the volume and you just hit to open that transaction. You can also through right clicking sell the limit and stop orders or set the market order. And the second thing is the analysis of the stocks. So basically that is why you could try to trade the stocks, because the technical analysis, basically all of the technical analysis, chart patterns, all of the strategies, the oscillators, the indicators were based on the stock charts. They were conducted through the analysis of stocks, so you can be sure that they are working. Second thing, the fundamental analysis is way easier here on stocks than on, for example, currencies or commodities. So basically the two factors that are concerning the price stock movement. So first thing are the major events, like the releasing of new products or new service from the company. And the case is simple. When the new product or the service has good reviews, so the price tends to rise. When the product has bad reviews, the price tends to fall. It influences the price in both directions. The second thing, which I think is more important, are the earnings and how you can check the earnings. So how to check them? You can go to the website, for example, called investing.com. You can check it also on other websites. Lately I'm using this one. It's the one convenient for me. So on the right side you have earnings calendar. You go for that, and on the right side for the calendar you have filters. Here you have the search bar and you type the company's name or the ticker if you know it. So for example, let's type Netflix, and here we have all of the data, all of the latest data from the earnings of the company. And of course it applies the same rule. When the earnings are better than the previous one and better than expected, the price tends to rise. When the earnings are worse than expected, worse than the previous one, it tends to influence the price in the opposite direction, which is to the downside. So yeah, I think that is all what you need to know to start trading with stocks. There is one last caveat that I need to tell you, that the stock exchange is open only for 6.5 hours. So for example, from my time, this is GMT +2, the Central European time, it is open from 3:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. So it will depend on your time zone when you have the stocks available for trading. So that is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and wish you all the best luck in trading stocks. Take care guys, bye.